Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Shots. Sorry for being away for so long, but I work at the winery and it was harvest season, so I couldn't be more active, but that's over now, so we can continue with the crypto casinos. Today I'll talk about RollerCoin. This is my number one platform, and as you already know, I'm into this for more than 2 years now. Everything is going great. They have new upgrades, new miners. So that's what I'll talk about today. We'll start with the event pass and I'll show you all the new features they added, all the new tasks, new miners, and also at the end of the video I'll open 3 or 4 loot boxes from the limited Halloween case. But let's start with the event pass first. Event pass, sorry. So this is season 2, as you already know. Season 1 passed, I got all the miners. So in season 2 you have 2 options, well 3 exactly, to be exact. You can play the games and get levels and get some of these rewards for free. As you can see, 300 GH for 1 day. So this is the best thing about the new event pass. Even if you don't invest anything, you can get free miners and get that passive income from the miners. As you can see, they also have the monster for free. So just come here, do the tasks, event quest. As you can see, I already did all of them, and I'm waiting for the reset in 4 hours, and I'll play the other ones so I can get the rewards faster than before. But if you don't have time for that, you can always buy the full package and all the rewards without playing, so that's up to you. So I think it costs around 199 RLT for you to buy the season 2, but you'll need to play all the you'll need to complete all the tasks and get levels and get all the rewards. This will last for 60 days. As you can see, it's already up 3 days, so that's about it. The other good thing they added is the BNB mining. So they added a new coin. As you can see, you have BNB and you can split your power here and use your power to mine every coin you want, but I'm strictly into Ethereum. That's why I'm into RollerCoin, just to mine all the Ethereum. And the upgrade was great because many of the people from the Ethereum moved to BNB and BTC, so I'm getting more rewards now. So that's great. As you can see, I already have 3 or 4 new miners from the new event, and I'll try to get more. So another great thing is the marketplace, but I think in some of the blogs and on the forums, this will be active in around 60 days, well, with season 3. So another thing I forgot to mention about the event pass, and if you try to play it for free, these are the quests, and you have one here, spend 40 RLT, but here on the Telegram channel I read that you're not required to spend 40 LT and will still be able, even if you don't complete this task, you'll be able to get all the rewards for free. That includes the El Monstro. So just play the games and complete the quests and you'll get 2 or 3 miners for free, and that's a great thing to start. So as you can see, these are all the miners now. They have a lot, like 46 big ones and 22 little ones, but you can see I only have 13, and with the 39% bonus on my mining. So with this pace, I'm getting around 0.2 Ethereum per year, which is not bad, but I'm aiming to 0.5, so that's my goal. So that's it guys about the all the new features and upgrades they did in the RollerCoin. So let's go and buy the new miners. I'll buy this one first. So this is here if you want to buy it and not gamble on the loot boxes. So let's go and buy this one. This is also a great investment because let me show you where it is here. As you can see, it's 3% bonus and I'm up to 42 now. So let's put it to action and let's continue with the loot boxes. So I'm not spending all my bitcoins at an instant. I'll go one by one. So if I get a great reward, wait, I forgot to tell you. So this is the new, you can check all the upgrades here on the block. So I talked about them. All the tasks, this is the new event, and these are the loot boxes. Here are the chances. So I'll open this one, and as you can see, all have around 15% chance, and the great ones are 9%, and it's almost impossible to get, but if we get this, we'll be extremely lucky. And I'll be not opening these ones because I don't see a point, and I opened one, I got this miner, so I'm great with that. So let's go for these three, at least one of them. So let's start, guys. 50 RLT, buy. Here it is. Limited Halloween. Good luck, guys. Well, that's not good. Okay, let's continue with another one. Also a 50. Come on, guys. Let's get candy sweet at least. Loot boxes, buy box. Nope. Another crank. And another 50. Come on, guys. Nope. That was lame. And let's go the last one with the Ethereum. 50, yes. Bam. Candy sweet. So everything is great, guys. I got at least one good miner. So this will bring me, let's see, I think it was 4%. It's great, 250 gigahertz power. Wherever it was, let's put them into action. Come on. Trying to fuck me over. So I have two at the same, so I'll probably sell one to the market and I'll probably buy everything else I can. So this went great, guys. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye, guys. Links are down below.